G'day there everyone. At the end of this video, if you stick to the end, you are going to learn how you can create Word documents from your Copilot Studio Lite agent that is created from your branded Word documents. To be honest, one of the most common questions when building these agents is how do we get or create or enable these agents to be able to create Word docs, not just generic Word documents, but documents that are created on our branded letterhead or template or things like that. Ones that keep the style, keep the headings, keep the fonts, all of that type of thing. So let's jump into this project summary Copilot here, and we'll just jump into edit mode. So I've got my instructions, I've got everything already written out here. So I've got my role, my purpose, the scope, guardrails, output style, context handling, example use cases. And at the end here, I've written Word document creation. All right. So I've instructed this agent to do something when a user asks to create a Word document. So if a user asks to create a Word document, you must create the document using the template, Daniel Anderson document template that has been added to your knowledge. All right. So this is another use case for enabling your agent with knowledge. Also, what we do want to do is we want to be able to give the capability to this agent to actually create documents first. So we've toggled our code interpreter on here and given the agent the capability to create docs, charts, and code. Now, what I do need to do though, is I need to upload and add my template. So what I'm gonna do is I will grab my template and and you'll notice in the instructions that I actually stipulated or identified the document by file name. Okay, so I've uploaded that document. Let's have a look. And if I scroll up, there it is there, uploaded files. So I've uploaded it directly into this agent. Daniel Anderson document template. That is what I've stipulated here. So the template, Daniel Anderson document template, and I've added the Word document creation, and you'll notice that that's in Markdown format. Now I've also set it up here as well. So I've reiterated at the end, but in the output style, every Word document that gets created must always use that template. All right, so let's update that agent now. Now that I've given the agent that document in its knowledge base, for it to use to create our Word doc, right? So it's updating now. Let's give this a test. So we'll go to our agent. This agent's role, its task, its skill is to summarize project progress, right? So we'll pass in and we'll give it this prompt, and it's grounded in a project in a number of different document libraries, site reports, and a few different things that I've collated together around a project, all right? So it's going to look at the search for the site progress up to week 8. And it's going to give me a summary. Now, that's all well and good, but I want to get it out of this chat. I want to get it out of this so that we can actually use it. We might want to present it, send it, attach it, do whatever, well, not attach it, do we? We want to store it in SharePoint, and we want to share it with our file sharing. So we've got our overall summary, and we've got things like that. So now, because it knows, and I've written that in the instructions, it knows what it can do. It knows what its skill set is. If you'd like, I can also generate a polished client-ready summary doc using your project template. Just say, create a Word version. So it's coding and executing, okay? It's creating that document. It's found the template in its knowledge source, and now it's going to create that for me. So let's have a look and expand this out. So you can see here, it's imported, writing some Python script. Here's the summary. Here's the document. Let's have a look and see what happens, right? So let's open this doc. So here's the document, okay? Let's enable editing so we can jump in and have a look. It's got my headings, right? So it's got my styles. We're good, right? So it's got that, and there's the letterhead. So there's the footer as well that I've got as part of that template. All right, so just by using and adding that to the instructions for the agent, uploading the template or the document you want to use as the template into your knowledge source, and then having that in the instructions, you can create branded Word documents from your Copilot agent.